Hello.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today, Lang?
I'm happy.
Okay, well, that is good to know. Can you tell me what did you do in the morning?
In the morning, I'm playing.
What did you play?
I play with my friend.
Okay, what did you play with your friends? Did you play hide and seek or did you play computer games?
I play computer game.
Oh, I see. What about in the afternoon? What did you do?
I'm at home.
Oh, just at home? What are you doing now? Are you writing?
I'm reading a book.
Oh, you're reading a book. Can you tell me something about the book you're reading? What is it about?
Is the comic book.
Oh, it's a comic book. I see. So you love to read. That's great. Now let me share my screen. Wait, by the way, do you have an English name? Do you have an English name?
No.
Oh, no, you don't. Okay, so I'll just call you Leng. Is that okay? Or Haleng?
Yeah.
Okay, so now let us have a quick review first. The first one is cramp. What does it mean again?
We cream it.
Yeah, cramped. Cramp. What does it mean,
Um,
Leng? Can you still remember it?
is the somewhere very is somewhere very narrow.
Okay, yes, very good. It's crowded, not much space. Great job. Now, what about smelly? What about smelly, Len? Do you know what it means?
Um, Something has smell is very bad.
Okay, yes, very good. Now, what about grubby? Grubby.
Is something is very something very dirty.
Okay, what about modern, Len? Modern.
Is opposite of is opposite of ancient.
Okay, yes, very good, which means up to date. Now, last one, Len, we have a rundown. What is rundown?
If the person is run us downstairs.
Oh, okay. Run downstairs. Now, when we say run down, Lang, it doesn't mean run downstairs because in here it is not a verb. It is an adjective. See? So, run down means it is in a bad condition, probably because it is old already. Okay, it has existed for a long time and it hasn't been cared of. Like, for example, the hotel looked pretty old and run down. Okay, they're not taking good care of it. That's why it is in a bad condition and it looks old now. Now, Lang, let us practice. And in here, you have to tell me which of the vocabulary items are positive, which are negative, and which could be both positive and negative. So when we say cramped, Lang, is it positive or negative?
Is a positive.
Okay, very good. It could be positive, but at the same time, Leng, it could be negative, right? Not everyone loves or like to be in a crowded place, in a small place. So we can say it's both. Okay. So what about elegant?
Elegant is positive.
What about luxurious?
Is positive.
Okay, yes, it could be positive, Lang, especially if you can afford it. And it has a very good quality because it is expensive. But it could be negative as well at some point. So we can say it's both. But since you said it's positive, then let's say positive. What about modern?
Is positive.
Okay, grubby.
Is negative.
Budget.
Is negative.
Oh, it's negative. Okay. So
Is
well, when we say budget, Leng, it could be positive as well. Budget, again, it means it is cheap or low cost. It's not expensive, Leng, and everything doesn't have to be luxurious or expensive for it to be great. Now, what about smelly?
is positive.
Oh, it's
Negative.
okay. What about rundown?
Is negative.
Okay, yes, it's negative too. Now let us practice slang. Oh, we have here useful language. Now the first one is hotel. What is a hotel?
Is the building to people to rest.
Okay, yes, it is a place where people pay to stay when they are traveling with rooms and services for guests. Have you traveled already, Leng, this summer for this summer break?
Yeah,
Where did you go?
I go
I
to
went.
Phoenix.
You went
I
where, Leng?
go
Okay, I see. And I believe you still have 2 months vacation, so maybe you will travel again with your family. Now, next one we have chalet.
Chalet
What is it, Leng?
is the house made from wood.
Okay, yes. When we say chalet, it is a small wooden house that is often found in mountains and it's used for holidays, just like what we can see in the picture. Now, what about spa?
Spa
What?
is the person is massage for you.
Okay, yes, but when we say spa, Leng, it is the place, okay? It is a place where people go to relax and enjoy treatments like, for example, this one, massage or hot baths. Okay. Or what we call sauna. Okay, now next one. Sauna.
Sauna. Sauna.
What is it, Lang?
I don't know.
Okay, now this is a very hot room, Lang, where people sit to relax and sweat, and it is often made of wood. Okay, just like what you can see in the picture. Okay,
Phòng xông hơi.
and it is often found in a spa. Okay, that is it. Sauna. Now, next one we as well have resort. Resort.
Resort. Resort
What is it?
is same the hotel.
Okay, yes, it is the same as hotel, but it's just that this one it is a large holiday place with hotels, restaurants, and activities in one area. Okay, next one, Leng, we as well have a bar.
A bar
What is a bar?
is the is same. I don't know.
Okay, so when we say bar, like just like what you can see in the picture, it is a place in a hotel or a restaurant where drinks are served. Okay, where you can order or drink. Drinks are alcoholic beverages. Now, what about gym? Gym.
Gym
What is a gym?
is a place to people exercise.
Okay, yes, to stay fit. Very good. Now, what about a swimming pool?
Swimming pool is the place to people swimming.
Okay, yes, it's a large area that is filled with water where people can swim and relax. Do you prefer swimming in a pool or in the beach, Lang? What do you prefer? Beach or swimming pool?
I prefer beach.
Okay, and do you live near the beach?
No, in my
Oh,
city, mm, and no heaven the beach
oh, okay, I understand. So in a year, Lang, how often do you go to the beach with your family then?
in next week.
Oh, next week. Wow. Okay, enjoy. So now, again, let us practice and tell me what you can see in each picture. Can you tell me again what this is, Le?
Is the is the
Okay, now while you're still thinking, let us proceed to the easier ones first. Can you tell me what is it?
is resort
What about this one?
bar
Very good. Next one, Le.
gym
Very good. Next one.
swimming pool
Very good. What about this?
is hotel
Okay, yes, it is. What about this one?
spa
This one.
Is sorrow.
Okay, sauna. And last one. It's it's a chalet. Wait, let me translate it for you.
Nhà gỗ. Chalet.
Chalet.
Okay, yes, that is it, Lang. Now, thank you so much for that. Now, let us proceed to exercise 4, dialogue. So, you have to read it with me and answer some questions afterwards. Okay, so you will be Lauren. What is the best vacation you have had?
Probably my trip to Sydney last year. What about you?
My favorite was definitely my trip to the Swiss Alps. What made your Disney trip so good?
I caught up with family we hadn't seen in a while and checked out all the sites.
Where did you stay?
We stayed at this luxury hotel and friend recommend. We got room service most nights, but the spa and the snow were the highlight. What about you? Where did you stay?
We stayed in a very elegant chalet near the ski field.
What was it like?
It was fantastic and the views were incredible.
What the worst accommodation you you ever stayed at?
When I was a student, I visited London and stayed in a budget hotel. There were 3 of us in the room, so it was very cramped. The place was so run down and grubby. Okay, thank you so much for that, Lang. Now let us check your understanding. Can you tell me what was Akio's best vacation?
At the Quebec vacation is travel
Was?
to Sydney.
Is it Sydney?
Yeah,
Okay, now in here, like, as you can see, when you say Sydney, that talks about Lauren. Okay, and the question is asking us about Akio. So it's not Sydney, but his trip to the Swiss Alps. Okay, so now next one, can you tell me where did Lauren stay in Sydney?
is Lawrence stay in luxury hotel?
Okay, yes, that her friend recommended. Which speaker stayed in a budget hotel in London?
Is very ruby and rampant.
Okay, yes, it's cramped and grubby. But which speaker, Lang? So you have to give me a name. Was it Lauren or
Is
Akio?
ideal.
Okay,
IKEA.
yes, it's Akio who stayed in a budget hotel in London when he was a student. That is correct. Thank you. Now let us proceed to exercise 5, complete the sentence. So I want you to choose the correct answer to complete each sentence and read it aloud. What is your answer for one, Lay?
B. Best.
Okay, very good. Now what about for 2?
B. Recommend.
Recommended. Okay, can you tell me why is it recommended, Lang? Can you justify your answer? Your answer is correct. It's recommended. We stayed at this hotel. A friend recommended. But can you tell me why is it recommended? Your answer is correct, Lang. It is recommended. But can you tell me why is it
Because
recommended?
because it because the the state is the participle.
Okay, so it is already in the past tense. So you can see we have here the word stayed, okay, because the friend already gave the advice before the stay. That's why we'll use recommended. Okay, now next one, 3.
What made what made your trip so good?
Okay, yes, what made your trip so good? What about for 4?
Where did you stay?
5?
We got room service. A most
Why is it most?
because most go with mm, because because most go with neuronals.
Okay, so thank you so much. Yes, we can say we got a room service most nights if what we want to say is that the majority of the night you stayed in that certain hotel, you got a room service. But as well you can say each night slang, which means every night. Okay, now last one.
Is the state
Okay, what's the worst accommodation you've ever stayed in? Oh,
because have has go with verb ed.
Okay, yes, very good, Leng. So at least you know the rule already. Are you sleepy now, Leng?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I see. That is why. And you are still reading while learning. Okay, so in that case, I won't extend the time anymore. And Teacher Mary, next meeting will continue exercise 6 for you. So thank you so much for your time, Lang, and enjoy the rest of the night with your family. Goodbye, Lang.
Bye, teacher.